Good evening, everyone. Hope you all well. My name is Shivani Dhagele and I am pursuing my bachelor degree BCA from IIPS DAVV Indore. I am here today to talk to you about our project. This is our class project which is completed under the supervision of our professor Dr. Shaligram Prajapat sir.
Hi guys, hope you all well. This is Sachin Tagle and I am currently pursuing 6-year MCA program from IIPS DAVV University. This is our college assignment on online hostel management system. So let's see.
Hello guys, hope you all are well. This is Shreya Bharava and I am currently pursuing 6-year integrated program at IIPS DAVV University. This is our college assignment on online hostel management system. Let's see.
The online hostel management system is web-based software to provide college students accommodation to the university hostel more efficiently. This project also keeps details of the hostelers and applied students. It is headed by Warden. He will be the administrator for accommodate a large number of students into hostel. This document is intended to minimize human work and make hostel allocation is an easier job for QSET students and hostel authorities by providing online application for hostel. Automatically select the students from the waiting list and mass calculation, complaint registration, notice board, etc. Hostelers can view notice board, hostel fee, mess menu by logging into the online system.
Our primary target customers, over 1000 boys and girls of university teaching department avail the accommodation facility provided by DAVV at 5 girls and 4 boys hostels. They are our primary target customers.
Benefits the project will deliver. There are some key points that will tell you what benefit is given a project. The point 1 is maintain the student as a hostler and waiting list student separately. The point 2 is process allotment list. The point 3 is automatically insert students detail to the hostler record when the allotment is confirmed by the admin and delete when vacant is confirmed or after the course end date. The point 4 is students can register their complaints. The point 5 is hostel secretary can calculate hostel fee including mess fee and can edit mess menu. And the point 5 is hostler can check the status of every month's hostel fee.
As a team, we have spent approximately 9 to 10 hours looking for products like ours.
Similar product already in the market. There are apps like the House Monks, Rentlio, hostel management software, Nowbeds, etc. that are currently available in the market and achieve similar goals.
How a product is better. There are some key points that will tell you about the quality of our product. The proposed system is having many advantages over the existing system. It required less overhead and very efficient. The proposed system deals with the mass calculation and allotment process efficiently. The point 2 is the project has been developed in such a way that it become very easy even for a person with little computer knowledge to operate it. This software is very user friendly and does not require any technical person to operate. Thus, the project is even operationally feasible.
The existing system is manual based and need lots of efforts and consume enough time. In the existing system, we can apply for hostels online but the allotment process are done manually. It may lead to corruption in the allocation process as well as hostel fee calculation. The existing system does not deal with mass calculation and complaint registration. More human power, more strength and strain of manual labor needed, repetition of same procedure, low security, etc. The main thing we would like to do with our idea is to develop it into a fully functional website and offer the previously mentioned services to the students.
Biggest concern, fear about the project. The main concern are the proper development and implementation of the project. After that, the concern would be the response the product would receive.
Has the idea been disclosed in a public venue? The idea or product has not been disclosed in a public venue as of yet.
A patent has not been pursued as of yet. No amount of money and approximately 60 hours been invested in the making of this project.
Development stage of the project. The development stage of the project at present is CAD files. It has been formally documented.
Demonstration of project using balsamic wireframes. In this wireframes, we have to perform 3 tasks in our website if you need to find the information you need. So first task is sign up. If you don't have an account, you can use it to create your account. Now second task is login. If you have an account, then you can log in, so no need to perform for task 1. Now the task third is hostel management system. This is home page of our online hostel portal. In this you will get a many option from which you can collect multiple information such as student database, personal information of students and their kin, hostel allocation and quick links. And if you want to take admission in any hostel, so you can just fill up this admission form and you can take admission.